Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having valuable features in high demand. Make a great choice today with the 2021 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, fog lights, rollover protection system, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power steering, tilt steering wheel, bucket seats. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.